If you're a mechanical engineer in India, here's your quick hit cheat sheet of companies that actually hire for design manufacturing, R&D, quality production, maintenance, project management. Tata Motors, Mahindra Mahindra, Ashok Leyland, Maruti Suzuki, MotoCorp, Bajaj Auto, TVS Motors, Hyundai India, Honda Cars and Two-Wheelers India, Force Motors, Bosch India, Continental Automotive Components, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, ISRO, DRDO, Bharat Dynamics Limited, BrahMos Aerospace, Airbus India, Boeing India, Rolls-Royce India, Lockheed Martin India, Safran Aerospace, Tata Advanced Systems, Larsen & Toubro Defence, Larsen & Toubro, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Hindustan Machine Tools, Caterpillar India, Kirloskar Brothers and Oil Engines, Thermax, Cummins India, ABB India, Siemens India, GE Power and Energy, Godrej and Boyce, Texmaco, NTPC, ONGC, Gale, HPCL, BPCL, IOCL, Adani Power, Reliance Industries, Energy, Suzlon Energy, Tata Power, NPCIL, Shell India, L&T Construction, Tata Projects, Gammon India, Shapurji Palonji Group, Afcons Infrastructure, Engineers India Limited, Arcon International, Blue Star, Voltas, Carrier Aircon, Daikin India, Johnson Controls, Hitachi Air Conditioning, LG Electronics India, HVAC, Sandvik Asia, Kennametal India, John Deere India, Atlas Copco, Schneider Electric, Honeywell Automation India, SKF Bearings India, Timken India, Cochin Shipyard Limited, Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders, Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers, Hindustan Shipyard Limited, L&T Shipbuilding, Indian Oil Corporation, Reliance Industries, Petrochemicals, Aditya Birla Group, Tata Steel, JSW Steel, SAIL, Jindal Steel, SR Steel, Vedanta Resources, CSIR Labs like Khmeri and NAL, Array, Tata Technologies, Altair Engineering, Ansys India, other CAE and simulation firms, GE, Siemens Energy, Honeywell, Bosch, Rexroth, Schneider Electric, Emerson Electric, 3M India, ABB, Eaton. Screenshot this, build a shortlist, then target roles that match your skills. I'd start by picking one sector, finding 3 dream companies, and tailoring my resume to the job description keywords. If you want a deep dive with role titles, average CTC and skill stacks for each sector, drop mech in the comments. I'll spin that up next. Let's get you hired.